Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a good affiliate marketing method that you can use. It involves both online and offline, helping local businesses online as well as offline with affiliate marketing for yourself, and you're going to be able to keep 50% of the commissions, and you should be able to make $1,000 in a pretty reasonable amount of time. Alrighty guys, well if that sounds good to you, well, let's go ahead and get started on this here right now. First of all, for those people that are new to my videos or to my channel, as you see right there on your screen, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here. And if this is your first time to my videos, what you should do right now is reach down there while we're talking about it and you're thinking about it, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it, so that you get notified and you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos to this channel. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. What we're going to do is the first site we're going to come to here is this site right here, guys. You can see it right here. It's called Kickstart. You can see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's Kickstart.co. Kickstart.co. What this site is a site where people can come that have Instagram accounts and build their following with real Instagram followers and engagement, and build a good engagement on their Instagram accounts, thereby growing their account and becoming into the influencer area. That is, their accounts that have more than 10,000 followers are considered influencers in media, online media like Instagram or even in Pinterest or whatever. So these are people that are doing that. This site helps people get that and helps them grow their channels. You can see there's all kinds of people that are doing this. They even have this site is trusted by Forbes, the HuffPost, Entrepreneur Magazine, and some other well-known places. In fact, 10,200 plus agencies, influencers use this site to build their Instagram account. Now, this site has got nothing to do with you having an Instagram account, although if you have one, that will be good for this particular method. You don't really need one though. I'm going to show you how you can do this without an Instagram account. What we're going to do is we're going to come here and we want to be an affiliate for this company, and I'll explain to you why. As you can see some of the pricing right here, guys. It's $49 for a standard plan, and then they have a $99 or $100 premium plan. So now let's come down here to the bottom of this page, all the way to the bottom, and you can see right here where my mouse is, guys, under this second column here to the left, is you see where it says affiliates right here, guys. Just click on affiliates, and that will open this up right here, and it says here, make money with Kickstart. Whether you're a happy Kickstart customer or a new partner looking to spread the word on our software and earn some money, you're in the right place here. And if we scroll down here, you can see some of the affiliate program highlights here, guys. This is why I wanted to show you. This is 50. I told you get to keep 50% of the commission. And that's what you see right there. This site, it's a really high commission, guys. That's why I picked this site to share this with you, because it's got such a high commission rate right here. Another nice thing about it is it's got a 45-day cookie lifespan here, guys. That means if somebody doesn't buy the first time they come, and if they buy any time after that and within the next 45 days, guess who's going to get paid? That's you. Yep. And they have 100% timely payouts. Now, I believe this site will pay you by PayPal, so you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account. Okay. And then they have monthly newsletters with features, and check this out right here, guys. Look here. They have bonus incentives for extra monthly commissions, so you can make even more money with this. And then you get a dedicated affiliate management team member as well. So to get started on that, you just want to come up here and click on sign up right here. So for example, you see that their pricing is, so if I bring up my calculator here, yeah guys, if you get, for example, if you get like 20 people here to sign up on the premium plan right here, you'll get 50% of that, so that's 100, so that's $50, right? So 20 times $50, and that's $1,000, guys, you make if you get 20 people to sign up on that premium plan. Otherwise, if you get 20 people to sign up on here for the $50, that's going to be $25. So it'll be 20 times $25, and you're going to make $500 just on that if you get 20 people to sign up for the $49 plan right here. So you can see that you can make quite a bit of good money here on this site. So come back, let me come back a page here. Here we go. I want to click on sign up right here, guys, for the affiliate program. And that brings you over here. It says partner with Kickstart, 50% commission on every sale. And it's for everyone that signs up through your affiliate link, take home 50% of that sale. And then plus opportunities for monthly bonuses and extra commissions like I was telling you. So all you want to do is put in your first name here and your last name. Put in your PayPal email address here, guys. That's what I recommend. That keeps everything congruent, so there's no discrepancy about you getting your money. Okay, use your PayPal email address. Create a good, strong password. Check this little garbage box right here about robots. I don't like it, guys, but you got to do it. And then make sure you check the I agree to the terms of service box right here, and then just click on sign up. And then when you get your affiliate link, you get logged into your back office. My guess is they will send you an email confirmation, so get that checked out. And then come back, get logged in, get your affiliate link. And then what you want to do is you want to come to Google. Come over here to google.com. I'm going to show you how to market this now. We're going to use offline businesses to make money with this, okay? Now, you can see that I typed in the Google search engine right here, bars in Lima, Ohio, since I live close to Lima. Now, guys, you can do this with any business. You can do this anywhere. I could have typed bars in Los Angeles, California, if I wanted to, and still done this method. So it doesn't matter where you're at, what city or town. Basically, guys, what I'm telling you is you will never run out of customers to do this with, okay? So, for example, I just typed in bars in Lima. It gave me a whole list of them, as you can see right here on the left, and it shows my town, the town near where I live at, and it shows all the bars there. And I scrolled down, and what I did was I found this particular site or website for this bar called the Met. And when I clicked on it, and I clicked on the Met, it brought this out over here on the right, and I clicked on their website button right here, guys. It opened up their website to this page right here. Now, when you get to a business's website, what you're going to be looking for is you're going to be looking for their Instagram account to see if they have an Instagram account. If they do not have an Instagram account, just ignore it and go on to the next one. That's what I did with a few of these up here before I made this video so I could show this to you guys. I checked a couple of these other bars right here, and they did not have Instagram accounts presently. So I just skipped it and went on down the list until I found this one here called the Met, and I opened it up, and I didn't see anything. A lot of times you'll see their social media icons up here at the top or the right area or somewhere around the top, but if you don't see it, scroll down to the bottom, and usually you'll see it right there. Look over here where it says keep in touch, guys. You see that? Right there where my mouse is. They have a Facebook, they have a Yelp, and they have an Instagram, and a top advisor, TripAdvisor, not sure what that is, but they do have an Instagram account, see? So I clicked on that, and it opened up their Instagram account right here, guys. And you can see this is the Met 306 Instagram account. Now, what's good about this is they only have 1,900 followers. So it's better if you find a business that has more than 10,000, skip that one. They're already in the influencer range. You want to hit on people or businesses that have less than 10,000 followers. Like this one right here is a good one. So what you want to do is now if you have an Instagram account and you sign into your Instagram account, log in, and then you click on follow the business, and that would open up so you can send them a private message, right? Or if you don't have an Instagram account, the other way around it is once you see their Instagram account and they have under 10,000 followers, you simply come back here to the website and you look down here for their contact information. It's just a little bit to my left right here, guys. And you see they have an email address right here, info@themet306.com. And then what you'll do is you'll send them an email telling them that you have a site where they can come and they can build their Instagram following up into influencer status, it will mean more business into their bar. More people will see that and come. More people will also become members of their Instagram page and become followers as well. But you have a site that you can offer them. And the nice thing about that is, guys, is this site also, I believe, if I scroll down here and look, yeah, right here, they have a 14-day free trial, which is a good marketing ploy that you can use in your message that you're going to send to the business. Tell them that they get a 14-day free trial, money-back trial, to try out the Kickstart site to help build their Instagram account and thereby bring more business into their business, more customers into their business. That's how you do that, guys, and then just go on to the next one. Now, you can do this with plumbing. You can do it with doctors. You can do it with any business that you can think of, and look it up on Google and send them information about your Kickstart account, or in the message about Kickstart, and in your message, don't forget to put your affiliate link in there so that when they click it and they come over and check this out, and if they purchase, you're going to make money just like that. And you can do this over and over and over with as many businesses in as many cities as you want. You will never run out of customers to try to send this information to, guys. Send them a message. Tell them about Kickstart, how they can grow their Instagram following and thereby bring more business into their business, more customers to their business. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's the method I had for you. Just do that over and over and over, and it won't be long. You should be making, well, could be well into the thousands. Alrighty, guys. If you like that video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell down there below as well. Also, if you have any comments about this or need any help with this particular method, just leave me a comment down there below the video, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see my free video presentation on high-ticket affiliate marketing, reach down there below at the top of my description. Click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out what's available for you there that will show you how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer in the internet today. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.